What the heck? Something's in my nose. That is so ghetto. Alright guys, so in the last video, or the last natural hair video, I showed you guys how I do my wash and goes now. And I was using the Eco Styler gel. That's what I was using. Eco Styler gel, I believe this is the... Is this the extra virgin olive oil? Like, who knows? It says no flakes. Awesome, right? Today's video is going to be on the Kinky Curly Custard. That's actually how my hair is, well, the product I use to style my hair right now. You guys, can you see this? There's like flakes in my hair. This is annoying. My hair is kind of like dry anyway because I go to sleep. I don't wrap my hair up. I don't twist it often at all like I used to. I do wash and goes. I prefer to do wash and goes every 3 days now. And yeah, when I go to sleep and wake up, all I have to do is just, you know, wet my hair and just kind of go through it. And then if I need to dry it, if I over saturated or moisturized my hair, I'll dry it and then I'll just shape it. So right now my hair is styled using this product, and I'm actually going to do it again because I believe the flaking that is in my hair that is annoying me comes from how I used other products other than just using this by itself. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I just finished working out. You can check my my fitness channel for that, but I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I use this. So I'm back now. If you guys wondering where I get my jewelry from, I actually get it from Forever 21. I like simplest, what the heck did I just, I like minimalist jewelry, so that's just me. Whole totally different video we can do about that. I'm gonna show you what I do with my hair. So I washed my hair with this product. And so the reason why I love that product, because I love the way my hair comes out after I have washed it and used that 3-minute miracle. So it's one of my favorite, you know, shampoo and, you know, 3-minute miracle conditioners for my hair. And my hair just feels so soft. And to be the honest to God truth, I probably could just be fine with my hair like this. Just let it dry, air dry rather, and just kind of play around with the shape and everything and just go out the door. That's what I consider to be a true wash and go. But in this video, we're using this product. What I have in this bottle is usually just water. I have the Kinky Curly Not Today conditioner in here, and I have a little bit of oil in here, like coconut oil, I believe. And this is just to further wet my hair a little bit more because I just washed it and so it dries. I have normal porosity hair, if you guys are wondering. I don't have high, I don't have low, I just have normal porosity hair. So in some areas it's a little different, but dry time and how much moisture my hair can maintain is pretty nice and even, so thank God for that. So the first thing I start off doing, and this was in a previous video, I do the exact same method with the Eco Styler gel as I do with this, but this is just kind of me pulling away from the areas that are much shorter with my hair and moving my longer hair out of the way because I do a shingling method with the longer parts of my hair. Well, I actually do a shingling method throughout my entire hair, but it's just the way that I do it. Now, I gotta be honest with you guys, I do not like this product because of the flaking. Let's see what happens. This isn't the first time I've used this product, and to be honest, I've had the same exact container for about 2 years now. I try not to use a lot of this because of how it does the flaking, especially with the longer parts of my hair. So I'm trying to see if I could do another technique, because the one thing I do like about this product is that it makes my hair still feel soft and it doesn't feel crunchy. Not that Eco Styler gel makes my hair feel crunchy. It's just I like the way my curls are defined with this product. So I'm trying not to use a lot in this video to show, but this is just me working it through my hair. Areas that I feel are a little bit longer, I might put just a little bit in that area and really work it through and make sure that it doesn't settle on my ends. And that will make sense as I continue on. So I'm gonna save this for another video, don't worry, but I use a sponge to define my curls. Not that I really have to, but you don't have to have a sponge to do this. You can have a soft bristle brush. And is there a difference in how you use it? Kind of slightly, but I'll leave that for another video. But I like to use this just because it's just a little bit easier on my hair, and it's just kind of further define my curls. So I go in a circular motion and I don't press it to my head and then try to move it. I really just make sure that it's lightly on the ends of my hair, let the sponge grab it, and then coil my hair up. So that's all I do. This is all I do. All right, so the front of my hair is quite interesting, or the top crown of my hair, well, the front. The way my cut is, as you can see, this hair is longer. I like to work in sections. The last time I used Kinky Curly, which was actually sometime last week, from the earlier clip of how my hair dried out. Oh, excuse me. I think the last time I used this product, I put too much in my hair and it flaked up, and then I think it was because I was using other products too on my hair. But this is what I mean by this is what I mean by shingling and trying not to let the product settle too much on your ends. So I'm not going to use a lot in each section. I hope you guys can see that. But I am going to focus it really mostly on the length of my hair and not the root. And then I'm going to kind of what you call rake it into my hair and focus on making sure it's smoothed in my hair. And the product is not sitting on top of my hair, if that makes sense. You got to make sure it's like really worked through. But in this case with this product, less is definitely more. This is what I do as far as shingling is concerned. Smooth it through my hair. Take pieces and just kind of, yeah, you can see it. I love this because I hate this product because of the flaking part of it, but I'm trying my best to learn it. But I love it because of the way that it makes my hair look if I use the product right. So that's what I'm trying to do. But you see what I'm doing. It's just kind of making sure it's smoothed into my hair and not settling on my ends, and just pretty much defining my curl. Can you see that? Nozzle instead of a diffuser nozzle. I still have that, but the diffuser nozzle kind of looks like a bowl setting with like little prongs in it, and you know, you would dry your hair by bringing your hair down into it so that it wouldn't ruin the curls. Because I'm using mostly gel-based products, I don't have that problem with my hair losing the curl. I tend to like this better because I can do what is called a lift and dry, and it allows me to shape and mold my hair in the style that I want it to. So typically with any wash and go, people think you wash it, You add your products in it to define your curls, and then you just go. I can't do that because I live in Michigan and it's still cold here, so I can't walk out with wet hair. Not only that, you can tell like my shape, it's just not where I think it should be. So I actually dry my hair on high settings. So it's going from off, low to high. That's just the amount of blow power that I get from my dryer. And then cool, warm to hot, and I prefer hot because I like to dry my hair faster. I don't like to use cool or warm heat because it takes longer, not as long as you think it is because of the porosity of my hair, but it's just faster and it allows me to mold my hair. So I'm going to dry this and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Is dry, it allows me the ability to mold it and lift. So I'll use this. This is my favorite pick, but I like to use this pick. So you probably noticed, like as I was drying my hair, I blow dry it and shape it as I go. I lift, shape, kind of use the heat to mold the shape of my hair the way that I want it to look. So after it's pretty much dry, this is what you see me doing, is kind of like pulling at just the shape of my hair, the shape of my curly fro. I typically like to wear my hair either in an afro or, in this case, a curly fro wash and go. That's the way you want to say it. Twist outs, I do like twist outs. My hair responds to twist outs very, very well. They're also one of my favorite manipulative styles. We'll save that for another video, right? I just like it because it gives me the curly fro look, and as the days go on, I can transition to doing a twist out without adding any other products to my hair. That is one of the only reasons why I love this product. However, I hate it because of the flakiness that goes with it, and I'm still learning how to use this product without all of the flaking. So I think it has everything to do with this product only works well with its own brand name, if that makes sense. But I love Eco Styler Gel because the moldability of this product is just ridiculously awesome. I don't mind the crunchiness, not that it's very, I don't deal with that anyway because I do use oils. Yeah, I do use oils and conditioners before putting this in my hair, but the method and the process is exactly the same as far as how I style my hair in a wash and go using both of these products. So just depends on whichever one. So yeah, that's pretty much my take on this Kinky Curly and Eco Styler Gel versus. Do I prefer one more than the other? The truth is, yes, I prefer the Eco Styler Gel more than I do the Kinky Curly. However, they give me a different look, or maybe I want to say a different feel to my hair. This one does not feel crunchy or anything. It just feels soft and curly. So that's what I do like about the Kinky Curly, but the dry time is quicker. The moldability is better, in my opinion. And the top #1 thing, because it's important to me, I don't like flakes, and this does not flake up whatsoever. So yeah, that's kind of how I feel about these two products. Stay tuned. Next video I'll be talking about, more than likely, the difference between the soft bristle brush and this as far as your natural hair. Stay tuned for videos every Saturday on natural hair. I'm trying to get my videos right back into order and then on a schedule that works best. But this channel, I'm really going to try to focus more so on my natural hair journey, continuing it on, and different products that you can use and styling your hair and just dealing with tapered cuts or natural hair in general. And then on Wednesdays I will be uploading videos on wig making, because I'm getting back into wig making, and it's something that I enjoy so much doing, because I know what I do helps other people. So yes, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed and you're watching this video for the first time, you're watching me for the first time, yes, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell. Make sure you're getting the reminders and the alerts and notifications that I am uploading. Get ready to know BeautyCutright on another level. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.